This gorgeous Tux kitty was returned to a shelter 5 times for being too demanding. Meet James Bean. He was branded a temperamental kitty until he found his true love. His human explained, "I adopted him from San Francisco Animal Control. 2 years down the line, and he's the most loving cat I've ever had." On his first day home, James Bean wasn't sure how long he would stay, after having been sent back so many times. His human said he was deeply ambivalent about being in a new place. After having a good snoop around his new surroundings, the kitty discovered a comfortable bed and a laundry hamper for snuggling in. He truly is a delightful kitty, who demands belly rubs and lots of attention. His human adds, he's discovered that there's nothing more satisfying than hiding out in the box or the hamper. He really loves it. He loves staring meaningfully at me while I work. He's a very loving kitty. 2 years after adoption, this has become his favorite sleeping spot, holding on tight to his human.